Hey, how's everybody doing? This is Brandon Ivey from Los Angeles, California. I'm the founder and CEO of Ivy League Crypto Academy, ILCA for short. We now celebrate Black History Month this month, but we're also celebrating this is a year where Bitcoin halving is taking place. I call this the year of accumulation. Now, the question people have been asking me is, Brandon, I'm new to this space. How do I accumulate? What can I do? What can I be involved in that doesn't have the long learning curve that you've got years and years experience in crypto? So this is easy to you. But for a new person, what can I do? What can I be involved in? So I took a lot of time, really the whole month of January, and made sure we put together some programs in place that allows, whether you're a seasoned veteran or you're a beginner, especially if you're a part of my ILCA education community, what can we do now to earn while we learn, to position ourselves to win in this year of Bitcoin halving? Well, first, I always say you need a crypto education. Join our ILCA community. It pays at least to be a part of our inner circle. The information that we share and go over is priceless. Our members are already stating, I don't know how I could do this without the community, without you guys and doing this together. So that is invaluable. But what about programs that you can